Hey guys, we're gonna be doing the Excalibur. So let's get right into it. These are 4-inch. 4-inch canister shells. I recommend buying these. These are the best ones. They're huge, very loud, really good break. Huge. The tube is very nice too. By World Class Fireworks. And you can pick these up at your local fireworks store. They probably have them. Only if you live in California, you can't buy these. But focus. They're made in China. 1.4 gram firework. Blue and white glitter, so I'd buy the new ones, the Excalibur Premium. They probably won't have that at your store, and remember it's 4 inches. If you don't believe me, you probably knew that, but see, and 4 inches. They're the size of Maximus. They're mostly the size of all of them. But you get 24 in a pack, so make sure to pick these up because they're really good. And you can get really good deals on them. Make sure to like and subscribe and have a great day.